Let's consider the term irony. There are lots of facets to this word, but put most simply, we might say that irony is saying the opposite of what is meant to create a gently humorous effect. For example, let's suppose you get caught in an unexpected rain shower coming to class. You walk in drenched. If I say, "Nice umbrella," that's irony. Now, sometimes people confuse irony with sarcasm. They're similar, but a little bit different. Sarcasm is also saying the opposite of what is meant, but sarcasm is sharper and designed to inflict pain or discomfort. Let's say you fail a test, and I'm giving them back. If I put the test on your desk and say, "Brilliant job," that's sarcasm. It's saying the opposite of what is meant, but it's a mean-spirited comment designed to make you feel bad. But in literature, when we talk about irony, we often talk about different forms of irony. Most notably, we talk about verbal irony, dramatic irony, and situational irony. So let's take those one at a time. Verbal irony is what I just explained. When a speaker in a poem says the opposite of what is meant for humorous effect. The important thing to remember about verbal irony is that it is always intentional. And in that way, it is different from dramatic irony and situational irony. Dramatic irony occurs when a character's words or actions have a significance beyond which the character realizes. In a poem, we could be talking about the speaker or narrator of the poem. We see a clear example of this at the end of W.H. Auden's poem, The Unknown Citizen. The speaker asks, was he happy? Was he free? The question is absurd. The speaker assumes that of course he was happy and free. But we as readers understand that he was neither free nor happy. Dramatic irony. Now, situational irony is something still a little different. This occurs when the outcome of a situation is way different from what is expected. The most frequently used historical example of this is the shooting of President Reagan in 1981. He was coming out of a building, and an assassin took 3 or 4 shots at him. The assassin missed. He missed every time, but one of the shots ricocheted off the bulletproof limousine and hit the president. Situational irony, because the assassin missed, but the car, which was designed to protect the president, ended up causing him to be hit with a bullet. These terms crop up fairly often in literature, and we'll talk about them as we encounter them.